Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix always on display not working on Realme 16. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on sound and vibration. After click on sound and vibration, click on do not disturb. Make sure if you want to fix this problem, so turn off do not disturb. After turn off do not disturb, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so restart device. Just click and hold side power button and swipe up. After swipe up and enter your phone pin, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on settings app. Scroll down and click on system and update. Click on backup and reset and click on reset phone. Enter. So click on reset all settings, enter phone pin and again click on reset. You will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So if it doesn't fix this problem, so last solution is software update. Click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and update, and you will see first option is software update. Click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix always on display not working on Realme 16. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.